Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my brothers and sisters. This is your brother Abdurrahman Adam Lamai, and you can call me Lamai. I'm coming from the darkness side of the world, from the bottom. Figure out with me. Check this out. There is a wisdom coming while I'm talking. So just please be careful and listen carefully what I'm going to say, because it's interesting, seriously, but I cannot believe myself that I am the one who's saying this thing, but I am the one who's saying it exactly. So why we are going to learn Spanish? Even I don't know Spanish and how I'm learning and who support me. Actually, to build an empire, another empire must collapse. If you want to learn things, first you have to sacrifice. Sacrifice with what? You have to sacrifice with the friends that's taking your time. You have to sacrifice with things that you love, that taking your time, so to have more time to study. Like if the king want to build his own empire, what he will do? He will send spy to the other empire, so they will listen what they are going to say, and they will think about the next step, that what they are going to do. So that's why they used to take the full knowledge, then they will conquer that country, and then they will build them. The same thing that we are going to do now is we are going to learn by our own self through websites, Google, education channel, whatever. Then when I feed myself with knowledge, I have people that behind me, they will tell me, where is that knowledge? So I have to share with them, which means with you guys. So whenever I'm sharing with you, so I will get like, they are inspiring me to learn more, to share with them. So they are learning, I'm learning. Like that, we can build our own empire. So Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, let's go back to our class.
جادك الغيث إذا الغيث هما يا زمان الوصل بالأندلس.
El alfabeto español, vowels, which mean vocales in Spanish. In this video, we are going to be talking some more about the vowels in the Spanish language. And the vowels are 5 letters: A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Now let me say it in Spanish. En este video vamos a hablar más sobre las vocales en español, y las vocales son 5 letras. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. And now we have some examples about the vowels. Y ahora tenemos algunos ejemplos sobre las vocales. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Let's start with letter A. A like A-H, A. In English like father, mother. More examples: father, mother, sister, brother. Like father, mother, brother, like that. So in Spanish like alma, capucha. Alma means like soul. Capucha means like hood, yeah. Capucha, hood, capucha. Capucha, see, the first letter is A, it will end also by A in English, like in Spanish, like the first letter is A, will be ended by A, like capucha, cha-cha-cha. Then we have A, in English like E-H, A. So, in English example, we have get, like bet. So, like met in the past. So, in Spanish examples, we have like cenar, which means dinner. Cenar, celebración, which means celebration, celebración. So, in E, we have like double E in English. So, like example, like C, Lee, like Bruce Lee. So, in Spanish, like millón, like million, millón. Sentimental, like sentimental, sentimental, see, tal, sentimental in English, tell. Here, like sentimental. So let's jump to the O. So O like OH, O, like so, O, like that. So O is like brown, brown. In Spanish, examples like hora, sol. Hora mean hour, sol means sun. The last letter we have U. U in English like double O. U like loo, boom, zoom, then zoo, like ooh, ooh la, like that. Then we have in Spanish like tu means you, then cubrir means cover. Yeah, that's it. We came to the last point. Before ending this video, let me share this with you. Why we make it like that? Before it was very easy, like only just when the time came, boom, the classes came, the explanation came and finished. Nobody see, nobody know. But now we said, let's get out to the world, let's see what will happen. So this is the first time actually we are making it like that. So even the second video, it took long than our expectation. We thought that it's very easy, but actually it's challenging us. And as Ragnar Lothbrok said, if it's not challenging you, it's not changing you, or it does, it's not very. Anyway, it's an example like that, which means that the things that is not challenging us cannot change us. So this is a big challenge for us to study by our own self. Like if you want to study alone, you will have like too much enthusiasm and you will have Holy Spirit with you. I will learn it. Then few days you will feel tired. Tomorrow I will learn. Then you will fed up by saying that I don't have time. But now when we are together in group, everyone support the other. Even if I fed up, I don't want to continue anymore, they will push me and ask me, where are you? Where is the courses? Where is the lesson? We are waiting for you. Then I feel like shame. And some of them will tell me, is that only you can do? Like, are you a real man like that? I feel, oh shit, what are you talking about? Really, I'm a real man. I will show you next, wait for me, I will show you, seriously. So that's how we are learning. So I used to learn, I get, I share. They will get it, they will practice, they will share with me. Memory coming, English coming, Spanish coming, knowledge coming. Then nothing called knowledge no coming, English no coming. All is coming later. That is, wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. See you later in the revision class. And if there is any mistake, we will talk about it. We will talk about it later in the revision class. Yeah, in the revision class. And then I hope that the next video will be like as much as possible soon later in the end. I don't know what I'm saying, but it will be like faster than that, because I will focus this time. Seriously, I get ashamed. Haydi Allah, haydi Bismillah, haydi bye bye, see you later.